Hej allihopa. Välkommen till en lugn video där vi kör lite sånt här. I hate this game and I hate it, so we're gonna play it. Right? It's a horror game for me, but it's real isn't a horror game. It's only a bad game. Oh, what the fuck? It has... In how we're gonna do that. And you're gonna help this guy here. And hello, tickle each other. Give me a hug. Oh, dang it, yeah, no hug for you. Did I actually do it? I do it! Oh my fucking god, it's so fucking good. Yes. You gotta be kidding. You gotta kidding me. Are you fucking kidding me? Oh fuck! I can't move any guy. What the fuck? Wait, are we gonna do like this? And like, boom. Oh my god. I'm so fucking stupid. Yes, I am. I'm pretty sure I am. I'm pretty stupid. I'm pretty stupid at this fucking game. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't understand what I'm trying to do. No, I'm not trying in the way. In the way. I'm so fucking good right now. What the fuck? What the hell? I'm pretty sure this is the last fucking level I fucking do. What the fuck? Or you must be kidding me. You can't say anything. No way in hell. No. 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 No, 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 no. No, no. Wait. No! No, no, no. Kitty cat. Oh, I'm so fucking stupid. I'm so smart now. That's our plan. I like this bootman. I like this bootman. 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 Get No way in hell I'm gonna... Alright. No? But, thanks for watching.